Number 13. In this video, a sneaky thief breaks into this home by using a window. He was so sneaky that Dob didn't even hear him. At the time of this robbery, the homeowners were upstairs with their dog. You can tell this isn't his first robbery he has done. Just look at how quietly he searches the house without making a single noise. This just goes to show you that you need to be on high alert at all times, especially if you live in a high crime area. Number 12. In this video, a poor pizza delivery man is just trying to do his job when this happens.
I gotta get the money first. I know. Let me see. I'm not doing that. I gotta get the money first. Open the pizza.
These pizza pirates took his pizza, and looks like they took his cell phone out of his car. What a shame. Can't even earn an honest living delivering pizzas anymore. What's this world coming to? Number 11.
Why the f would you guys do this to me?
Looks like the wheel pirates hit this poor guy.
AC, I swear to man, you can't have nice in AC. Ooh, why would y'all do this, bro? What would...
Number 10. In this video, there is some strange guy who looks like the rapper Drake's cousin, and he is acting very suspicious. What's he looking for? Maybe a key or some crack rocks, who knows? It looks as he trying to find a hidden key to get into the apartment. Number 9. Look who's back for a second round. Maybe he will be successful this time. Why is he wearing a lampshade? He must have found some crack rocks. What is that, a treasure map? Looks like he failed again. He needs some matching shoes with that lampshade. Number 8. In this video, a guy is up to no good. What he doesn't know is he is being watched. Watch what happens here.
Hello, record me. Get the back door. Get the back door.
Why are you in my backyard? What do you need for my backyard? Why are you in my backyard?
No, I wasn't in your backyard, but your back door. Your neighbor across the street sent me over. I was up cleaning out their gutter, and I noticed your gutter. Your neighbor sent me over from yesterday.
Okay. The one across from me?
No, not the yellow house. The one right behind him.
Okay.
Get
Yeah,
your
I don't
name.
need any assistance with that. If you can get out of my backyard, I would appreciate it.
Number 7. In this video, a woman is seen running with a stolen pizza. Looks like she stole the pizza from the delivery driver. She really must have had the munchies to steal a pizza. Number 6. In this video, this porch pirate really goes the distance to steal a package. It's like he had planned all this out. Will it work? Let's see. He starts by stepping on a swivel chair of some kind. He probably even stole this. The gate was unlocked all this time. Maybe he should have checked that first. Looks like he is back for another package again. This time he has a special tool to help him. Number 5. This lady just ruined lunch, and I don't think she will be invited to the next barbecue again. Number 4. In this video, a couple street racer tear up the neighborhood. Their license should be suspended forever. Number 3. In this video, a couple car thieves show you how fast they can steal your vehicle in broad daylight. Number 2. In this California video, a gang of people are running from the police. We are not sure what they did, but it don't look good. Number 1. In this California video, a man walks up to a stranger's door and leaves a gift. I wouldn't want to open my door in the morning to check mail and see this gift on my porch. Thanks for watching Nightmare Junkie.